Today I'm going to show you how to buy tokens directly through Uniswap. The first step is to connect your wallet. Click the Connect button at the top of the page and choose your wallet provider. In this example, we're using MetaMask, so click MetaMask and approve the connection. Once connected, you'll see your wallet address displayed at the top, confirming everything is linked properly. Next, select the token you want to swap into. You can search for a token directly on Uniswap, but the safest approach is to get the official contract address from the project's verified social media accounts, website, or a trusted source like DEX Tools. This is extremely important because there are many scam tokens with similar names. For example, if you search for Bitcoin, you'll notice multiple tokens appear. Not all of them are the real asset. In this tutorial example, we're selecting a trending token by copying its official contract address. Once you copy the correct contract address, go back to Uniswap and paste it into the token search bar. Uniswap will then display the matching token. Confirm that the name and ticker symbol match what you expect before selecting it. After selecting the token, enter the amount of ETH or other base token you want to swap. Before confirming the trade, you may want to adjust your slippage tolerance. Slippage is the percentage difference you're willing to accept between the expected price and the final execution price. By default, it's usually set to auto, which works fine in most situations. However, during periods of high volatility or heavy trading volume, you may need to manually increase it. If a token has a buy or sell tax, your slippage must also be set higher than that tax percentage to ensure the transaction goes through. Once you're ready, click Swap. Uniswap will show you an estimate of how much of the new token you'll receive. Review the details carefully, then click Confirm Swap. Your MetaMask wallet will open and display the gas fee along with the total transaction cost. If everything looks correct, click Confirm. After the transaction is processed on the blockchain, you'll receive a confirmation message. You can then return to your wallet to see your updated token balance. That's how you buy tokens directly on Uniswap. Always double-check contract addresses and transaction details to stay safe while trading. Thanks for watching.